Hello, I'm Guthrie. Today I'm going to gab about what Outschool offers you on their dashboard, on their platform. Once you are accepted as an Outschool teacher, I know you're overwhelmed with what to do first. My first recommendation is watch my video on how to list a class and list your first class. While you're waiting for the first class to be approved, it could take from 1 day, it could take up to 3 or 4 days, depending on if it's a holiday weekend or a busy time when a lot of people are posting classes. Outschool now has a training session that is provided on your dashboard. It's a blue tab. It's over on the right-hand side, and it'll say, when you go into teacher, and then it'll say training. Click on that blue tab. Nothing's going to happen. You will see 5 options for you. The first one is Outschool 101. Outschool 101 is simply a set of pages. You read what it has to offer. You click next. You go to the next page, and it's going to tell you something else. Some of them are short videos by teachers that have worked for Outschool for a long time. It gives you an overview of Outschool, the expectations of parents, the expectations of the platform, and what you as a teacher should expect. You can click through all of those and complete your training. Next one that they have, let me check my notes, listing classes. Listing classes, that goes ahead and takes you again through the dashboard. With listing classes, you also have the option of setting up a Zoom meeting with a teacher on Outschool who will take you through listing classes and is available for Q&A. They will give you different dates and different times, and you simply choose which one you want to attend. Again, this is an option. You can click through the training on your own time, and you'll be 97% finished. Okay, the third training module is teaching online. So teaching online just tells you what to be aware of, things like your background, your lighting, what to expect from students also. Some students realize they're going to be tired. There's many reasons that students will take an online class. Some students are interested in a subject. Some students are doing this as part of their homeschool program. Some students may have health issues or have issues that have prevented them from attending their normal classroom. So we have to be aware and allow a little bit more on an online classroom than you would in a regular brick and mortar classroom. That being said, you don't have to accept disrespect from a student, and there's ways to handle that. These programs, these mini training modules, are a good thing for you to look at, especially if you're concerned about classroom management, because they will take you through what Outschool's expectations are for you, the teacher, and also for the student. That brings me to the 4th module, which is classroom management. So you can go through this, and this one, as well as the last one, offers again online Zoom classes with certified teachers with Outschool. They're available for Q&A. They usually go pretty fast. They're about a 30-minute class. There's many times and dates available. You simply choose the one that you want. If you miss one, it's okay. Just simply register for another one. The last one that they offer, last training module, is safety and privacy. And that's about safety and privacy for you, the teacher, as well as the students. And it goes through how to handle students that maybe are going outside the lines of what we would consider safe practices for an online class. This one, like the first one, you simply read through the different modules. There's resources at the end. You click next, and then you'll be finished. So these are 5 new training modules that are offered through Outschool because teachers were having problems. Even if you follow someone like me or some of my other coworkers that are great at what they do with Outschool, I highly recommend that you look at what Outschool is offering so you know exactly for yourself, and it's a good place to go to for an immediate answer to a question. So if you're a little bit curious of how you maybe should have handled something or why a class wasn't listed, you can go to these training modules and you may be able to find answers there. If you can't find answers there, please send me an email. I'd be glad to help. GuthrieGabs@gmail.com.